A very good morning to you, class 3 students. This is Ritu Ansar. Well, I'm back with another video today, which is based on our topic types of STEM. Now, we were in the chapter plants in our surroundings. Now, students, this lesson plan will be received by you on 12th of August, and the video also will be received by you on 12th of August. The video that I'm making now. Now, I'll start off with STEM, the first part of our chapter, of our discussion. Now, what is STEM? We have already discussed that STEM is the most important part of the shoot system. Now, a STEM is something that is a support system for a plant. Without a support system, the plant cannot stand erect or it cannot stand upright. Now, look at this tree over here. This tree has a thick trunk, a thick stem. Alright? It's a wooden trunk. Without the trunk, the tree won't be able to stand. Now, first of all, I would want you all to open to page number 65 of your science books, everyone. Now, I hope you all are ready. Alright. Look at page number 65 of your science book. I'll tell you. In here it says that trees such as mango and neem have thick, hard and strong stem. Like I have drawn the figure for you here. This is a tree with a hard stem. Coming to the next part is shrub. Now shrubs are short, woody plant with several stems growing near the ground. Now several stems which grow near the ground, it looks like this. You can see the branches which are very close to the stem. They are so very branched over here, right? Now the third part is hard. Now what is a hard? Let me tell you. A hard is a plant with a very weak and tender stem. You can follow page number 65 of your books and you will see that it is written over here that herbs are plants with soft and tender stems. And I over here have drawn a herb, a rosemary herb. Now, the next part is climbers. Now, let me come to this side so that you get a closer look at the board. Climber. Now, what is a climber? A climber is a plant that requires a support to climb. Now, let me just repeat this information for you once again. A climber is a plant which requires a support to climb. Now, in here, this plant requires this support, you see. It's a stick. Like I am holding a stick in my hand, this is also a stick. On this stick, based on this stick, or taking the support of this stick, this money plant that I have drawn right over here is climbing up. This is a climber. This is a perfect example of a climber. You have heard money plant, grapevine, these are examples of climbers. Coming to the next part is creepers. Now let me explain it to you. Creepers are plants which creep and crawl along the ground while they grow. Understood? Now plants like watermelon. You all have had watermelons? I think you have. Now watermelon and pumpkin are those kinds of plants which creep and crawl along the ground, which gives them the name creeper. That is why they are called creeper. Alright students? So let me just give you a quick revision of what we have done just now. So based on the types of stems over here, we have tree with a very thick and wooden trunk. We have shrub which are very branched. The stems are branched. We have herb with a very weak and tender stem. We have climber which requires a support to climb up and grow. And we have creeper, the plants which crawls and creeps on the ground while it grows in size. Understood? Alright, I hope this part is clear to you. Now open to page number 66 of your science books, everyone, students. I hope you all are ready. Page number 66. Now look here, functions of stems. Do you see? Alright. Now let me first tell you before I start off with this part, the diagram which is given over here under the caption movement of minerals and water in plant. You will follow the diagram while you are studying functions of stem. There's no problem. But you do not have to draw this diagram or copy this in your copy in any way. You don't have to draw this in your copy. Understood? This diagram is not necessary. You may follow it while you are studying functions of STEM, but you don't need to draw it in your copy. Alright? Okay. So let us proceed with the functions of stem. Now, important functions of stems are it provides support for the plant and keeps it upright. Like I told you, it provides support to the plant and keeps it upright, straight. It allows leaves to reach sunlight that they need to produce food. The stem, they transfer the sunlight. Actually, they help the plant to capture the sunlight. They help the leaves of the plant to capture the sunlight so that food is prepared. It carries food from leaves to all the parts of the plants. Now, these leaves, they prepare the food, but the stem, they transport the food to all the parts of the plant. Understood? Last one, it carries water and nutrients absorbed by the roots to the leaves and other parts of the plant. Now, the water and nutrient that the plant produces is also transferred from the leaves to the other parts of the plant, and it is captured, it is taken up, absorbed by the roots, and it is also distributed to all the other parts of the plant. Because like us humans, plants also requires water and minerals to survive. Clear? Now, an extra information is also given students in page number 66, the last part. Now, let me just read it out for you. Stems of plants store food and are eaten as vegetables. There are a few plants whose stems are stored as, the stems work as reservoirs. The stems work as storehouses to store the food, and that food is eaten by us. Okay, now plants like potato, ginger and sugarcane. You all have seen potato, you have seen ginger also, you must have seen, and sugarcane as well. So these plants, what they do is they store food in the stem. Okay, and those are eaten by us and other animals as well. Alright students, so this was our topic for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all liked the video very much. I hope it was informative enough for you all to understand the chapter better. Lastly, as I conclude the video, I would say stay safe, stay home, be happy, and I will be back with another video very shortly.